Number 29, we're trying to solve for the variable theta, and we want to isolate the expression that contains the variable. So to isolate that expression, first thing we want to do is, just like any algebraic expression, we want to go ahead and, or equation, we want to subtract 2 from both sides. So we get 3 radical 2 times the cosine of theta is equal to negative 3. And then we see that we have something being multiplied by what we're trying to isolate. So we're going to divide both sides by that. And when we divide both sides by 3 radical 2, the left side remains just cosine theta. And then the right side, the 3's cancel, and we get negative 1 over radical 2. And if we rationalize the denominator, we get negative radical 2 over 2. And again, we're trying to solve this equation on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. And we know that the cosine is negative in the second and the third quadrants. It's negative radical 2 over 2 at that middle angle. And in the second quadrant, it's 3 pi over 4. And then in the third quadrant, it's 5 pi over 4. So since the cosine of both of these angles is equal to negative radical 2 over 2, we then can conclude that theta is equal to 3 pi over 4 as well as 5 pi over 4. I'll go ahead and do number 31 as well. Oops, forgot to put the little box around my answer.